Does shrinking clothes in the dryer affect the color or texture of the fabric?
Hello! In this video, we're going to discuss whether shrinking clothes in the dryer can affect the color or texture of the fabric. Let's break it down into sections to better understand the process and its effects on your clothes.
Why do clothes shrink in the dryer?
The primary reason clothes shrink in the dryer is due to the application of heat and mechanical action. When fabrics are exposed to high heat, the fibers tighten and contract, causing the fabric to shrink. Mechanical action refers to the tumbling and movement of the clothes in the dryer, which can also contribute to shrinking.
Does the color change when clothes shrink?
In general, shrinking clothes in the dryer should not affect their color. However, there are a few exceptions. 1. High heat settings can cause some dyes to fade, especially in delicate or brightly colored fabrics. 2. Repeated exposure to high heat can cause colors to fade more quickly over time. To avoid color fading, it's best to use a low or medium heat setting when drying clothes, and if possible, air dry delicate or brightly colored fabrics.
Can the texture of the fabric be affected?
Yes, the texture of the fabric can be affected by shrinking in the dryer. When clothes are exposed to high heat, the fibers in the fabric may become more compact and tight, resulting in a rougher, stiffer texture. This is particularly true for natural fibers like cotton, wool, and linen. Synthetic fibers, such as polyester, are less likely to be affected by the heat. To maintain the original texture of your clothes, consider using a low heat setting or air drying when possible. This will help prevent excessive shrinking and keep your clothes feeling soft and comfortable. Summary. In summary, shrinking clothes in the dryer can affect the texture of the fabric, making it rougher and stiffer. However, the color of the fabric should remain largely unaffected, with some exceptions. To maintain the quality and longevity of your clothes, it's best to use a low or medium heat setting when drying and air dry delicate or brightly colored fabrics when possible.